Your search for a healthy, spicy, flavorful, gluten-free cookie recipe ends here. For this recipe, you will need 1/4 cup of solidified or refrigerated ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji, half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Salt and jaggery combine to give these biscuits flavorful bites. You will love the flavor. 2 tablespoons of hung curd or thick curd goes in, and I have already shown how to make hung curd quickly. Do check out the link in description box. Cream well and then preheat your air fry oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes at this stage. Next we'll be adding half cup of ragi atta. Since I make sprouted ragi atta at home, I have used the same, so it absorbs a lot more moisture or liquid. But if you are using store-bought ragi atta, you may add 2 tablespoons extra of ragi flour. Mix and don't knead. Let us shape our gluten-free cookies, which are spicy and flavorful, and do not use any baking powder or soda for crispness. Roll out very gently. Remember, these are gluten-free cookies, so you will have to be very gentle. And since we have not used any liquid in this recipe, so these will be melt in the mouth and appeal to kids and elders alike. But if you have these biscuits for kids, you may omit red chili powder and use little amount of black pepper powder. Now let us bake our ragi biscuits, savory ragi cookies, in air fryer for 10 to 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, and timing might vary from one air fryer to another, from one oven to air fryer, from OTG to air fryer. Check if done, else bake for 2 to 4 minutes longer. Check for crispness. As I said, these will be melt in the mouth and not too crispy, but they will be crisp and you will love them. Store in an airtight container and they will stay good for longer, at least 10 to 15 days. Enjoy.